Welcome to Crypto Staking channel. Let's talk about Raven coin profitability few days after moving to ka-pow. I was lucky enough to be there at exact moment of forking to catch some easy money. People were reporting earning $40 to $50 in matter of minutes. But how is the situation now after a few days of mining when network hash rate increased a lot? So let's move to numbers. I have both NVIDIA and AMD mining rigs, so let's start by most common build with 6 RX 580s. I'm getting around 180 megahash per second on Ethereum. And that will be $78 per month. Now on Raven, I'm getting 58 megahash per second, and that would be $66 per month. As we currently see, for AMD it's more profitable to mine Ethereum. And now for NVIDIA, I have a GTX 1070 rig and I'm getting around 180 megahash per second on Ethereum, also same like AMD. So that would be $78 per month. Now on Raven coin, same rig gives me about 78 megahash per second. And that would be $88 per month. So Raven coin is the winner for NVIDIA, but also for AMD, because for one GTX 1070 you can buy 2 RX 580s, and that is 13 megahash per second versus 18 megahash per second for the same investment. Still, I'm very happy to have another GPU coin for mining, and of course we have other coins which are currently more profitable maybe, but the problem is we need coins that have high volume and to be listed on popular exchanges. I'm going to show you what I mean. Example, BitTube is at the moment more profitable, but look at the volume. Look at the volume. Problem is, who is going to buy your coins and where? It's not listed on any popular exchange, and a coin that cannot be sold is worthless. That's why it's very good to have Raven on GPU's team. Other thing I wanted to mention, what I was asking myself for past few months, is where to move my 4 gigabytes mining rigs after Ethereum. Alternatives were terrible. Callisto, Ether1, Pearl, all of them not profitable and with shady future. Now we have an answer. I don't need to sell 4 gigabyte cards for peanuts. As of the future price, I don't like predictions, but I think with all 4 gigabyte cards moving to Raven, maybe it will become more popular and with that more profitable. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please support my channel by subscribing so I can bring you content, and check out my other videos about mining.